Do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting.
So, good morning, you guys. Today is Saturday. I did my hair yesterday. I'm pissed off about my edges because they won't go back to how they was yesterday. But it's okay. Don't get worked up. This hairstyle is... I won't be keeping nothing in for longer than probably a week except for my braids. So, this hairstyle will be out sometime at the beginning of this week. But anyways, we finna head out. We're going to the dealership today. My baby is supposed to be, fingers crossed, getting him a new vehicle. So that's what we are about to do. We're just getting everything together to leave. Make sure you get that time. Making sure everything is turned on. Use them. You said what? I'll put a little back up. I'll grab one. But y'all, we running behind because he already left. He had an appointment to be there at 10:30. Yeah. We're supposed to be left, but we leaving. We get there. But yeah, we finna get out. Leave out now. So I guess I'll catch y'all in the car or do what we get there. Okay, y'all, so we made it here to the... And this bitch always on her phone. I'm waiting on him to come back.
Somebody in the car with him?
I don't know. Nobody ain't test when I test drove my car, nobody ain't ride with us. It was just me and him in there. He said he took it on the highway. So, see. Wait to see.
What are you doing to him? This is a car.
It's a car. It drives. It got 4 wheels.
Shut up.
I'm gonna try to record him when he come. I don't know where he is. This shit wasn't even that funny. Oh, I got this. No, boy. Oh. It say he here.
Everybody keeps saying that I have a, like...
It say he here. It say he here, but I don't see him. Oh, there he go.
I can't see right there.
You gonna see, he gonna come that way.
Oh, look at my...
But I'm gonna see y'all.
So who gonna get that then?
Who?
This car.
He's selling it to Kermit. I'm gonna see y'all when we either get with him or... Yeah, I don't know. I'm just catch up with y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all. So this is his old car. We're gonna miss the child. This is where it all started at late night. My sneaky link car. To all the dents, the scratches, the rims, the dirty tires, to all the kisses in this front seat, to all the loving memories, to all of the everything that ever happened in this car. You're truly gonna be missed. Period. Y'all, he's so excited. Look at him. He excited. He don't know how to stop smiling. Daddy's getting a new car. How do you feel? Your stomach out, your shoe untied. Y'all, so yeah. I'm gonna show y'all his new car. He's gonna come out through there. Period. He's gonna be in here. Y'all, this is his new baby. They gotta put his bow on it, but I'm trying to get some footage before he comes out. But that's his new car. He said he likes it. It's cute, cute, cute. He got a thing for red, as you can see, I guess, child. But he really wasn't even supposed to get this car. He wasn't supposed to get that car. He was supposed to be getting a gold Impala It was a 2020 Golden Impala, but they didn't have the title for that car. So he just found that. He found something like in the same price range as that car. So, yeah. So now he has this car. I'm so excited for him.
Oh, that's crazy. There were two of them.
Yeah, I'm so excited for my baby. Y'all, Kermit's really be having some out this dough. You hear me? But I'm waiting on him to come out. I'm gonna take him some pictures and I'm gonna put his pictures on my thumbnail and then in this video. I'm actually like thirsty. It's hot outside. But I'm so excited for my man, period. Y'all, we came to the mall. And he not excited. Bruh, get in the car. You should leave her. Yeah, we just not leaving from the mall. We actually been in there for like 2 hours. I think.
So the end where you're going to 3 o'clock.
Boy, we ain't even getting nothing out of there before. We ain't getting nothing out of there before. We ain't getting nothing. They ain't really had nothing that I would if I was to buy. My baby just got shoes. He ain't getting no more shoes right now. Mommy is, y'all, I don't know what this is. I've been breaking out, bro. That's the mini version of these. But yeah, we probably finna end up going home because we ain't got nothing else to do. Yay. We going home. We ain't got nothing else to do. So I'll probably catch y'all when I get to the crib. Yeah.
Niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me.